This Enolgas assembly combines the 13214 electric actuator with the 12910 nickel-plated brass valve. The actuator features an ISO 5211 connection, 90-degree operation, 24-volt DC power supply, and a fast 5-second running time. With 12-watt power consumption in an IP54 housing, it is designed for efficient and dependable automated control. The 12910 valve includes a T-port configuration, female NPT connections, and an ISO 5211 mounting connection for easy actuator integration. Available from 1/4 inch to 2 inches, it handles pressures up to 580 pounds per square inch and temperatures from -4 to 266 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal for hot and cold water, air, hydrocarbons, and non-aggressive fluids. Built for reliable performance in demanding systems. Enolgas USA, engineered for control.